I am Meghra Singh, lecturer in Vishwakarma Senior Secondary School, NET qualified in physics. We are start the 12th class standard physics. The first unit of physics is electrostatic. Electrostatic. What is electrostatic? Electrostatic is that branch of physics in which we study stationary electric charge and interaction between electric field produced by the electric charges and them. The four chapters are in this unit. First chapter is electric charge and electric field. Second chapter is Gauss's law. Third chapter is electric potential, and the last one is electrical capacitance. In the beginning we study electric charge and electric field. What is electric charge? What is electricity? Electricity is such type of energy when it present in any body, the body acquires a property of attracting another lighter bodies like as pieces of paper, straws towards itself. Such as when a comb is rubbed with dry hairs, the comb attracts towards the pieces of papers and straws. It is comb which is rubbed by dry hairs, and these are straws. Straws means tinke. Straws or pieces of papers. When the comb is rubbed with dry hairs, it starts to attract the straws or pieces of papers towards itself. It is due to the electricity. Now we study about the electric charge. What is electric charge? Electric charge is that property of a matter which produce electric and magnetic effect and experiences them. There are two types of electric charge, positive charge and negative charge. Unit of electric charge is Coulomb. SI, unit of electric charge, Coulomb. It is denoted by C. Other units of electric charge. In CGS, state Coulomb. One Coulomb is equal to 3 × 10⁹ स्टेट कूलम। इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज एब कूलम। एब कूलम 1 कूलम इज इक्वल टू 1/10 एब कूलम। एब कूलम। In this way, we write both the three units of the electric charge as follows. 1 coulomb is equal to 3 × 10⁹ state coulomb is equal to 1/10 एब कूलम। Now we have discussed about the methods of charging of any body. There are 3 methods of charging of any body. Number 1, methods of charging of any body. Number 1, by friction. By friction. When a body is rubbed with another body, then some electrons are transferred from one body to another body. One body becomes positively charged and the other body becomes negatively charged. The electrons leaves that body which body becomes positively charged, and electrons attains by the body becomes negatively charged. If there are 2 bodies A and B, if one electron is transferred to the body A from the body B, then the body A becomes positively charged and the body B becomes negatively charged. If 2 electrons are transferred from the body A from the body B, then the body A becomes positively charged and the body B becomes negatively charged. This is the charging of any body by the friction. When the cat skin is rubbed with the ebonite, then some electrons are transferred from the cat body into the ebonite. Cat skin becomes positively charged and the ebonite becomes negatively charged. In Hindi, we remember the friction of the method of the charging of the friction in this way. Kabau. K means कांच, गिलास की रोड। कांच, गिलास रोड। बे मीन्स बिल्ली की खाल। cat skin. Wool means wool, woolen. कबाऊ, के बे ऊ। इन बॉडीज़ को किसी अदर बॉडीज़ से जब हम रब्ड करते हैं तो मोस्टली इन बॉडीज़ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आता है और अदर बॉडीज़ जो नेगेटिवली चार्जड हो जाती हैं। तो दिस इज़ द मेथड ऑफ चार्जिंग ऑफ एनी बॉडी बाय फ्रिक्शन। द सेकेंड मेथड ऑफ चार्जिंग ऑफ एनी बॉडी इज बाय इंडक्शन। By induction. In this method, when a uncharged body is bring to the charged body, then the surface in front, which is in front in the charged body becomes opposite charge, and the opposite surface becomes same charge. Let a sphere which is uncharged and is standing on an insulated stand. We have to charge this sphere. Now we bring a positively charged rod which is positively charged, the near surface, close surface becomes negatively charged. It is positively minus, and opposite surface becomes positively charged, plus, and plus. It is first step. Now in the second step, the sphere becomes charged. It is rod which is brought near to the sphere. It is negatively charged. The opposite surface is contact with the earth. Then the total positive charge enters in the earth. It is second step. In the third step, it is negatively charged and the contact of the earth is ended. Now the fourth step, the stick is removed from the sphere. The stick is removed from the sphere, then this charge which is bounded by the stick is equally distributed on the sphere. Minus, 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 minus. In this way, the uncharged sphere becomes charged when a charged stick rod is brought near the uncharged sphere. It is the charging of any body by induction. Now we take another examples of charging of a body by the induction. There are two bodies. Body A and body B. which are placed very close to each other and uncharged. There is no charge on the bodies. Now we bring in the second step a charged stick, as we study in the previous example. Now we take negatively charged, minus 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 minus. It is sphere A and it is sphere B. It is negatively charged. This surface of the A becomes positively charged, and this surface of the B becomes negatively charged. This is the second step. In the third step, we take some distance between the sphere A and sphere B. It is sphere A. Some distance increases between the sphere A and the sphere B. It is positively charged and it is negatively charged. In the fourth step, the charged stick is removed from the sphere A and sphere B. Sphere A and sphere B. Then it is positively charged and it is negatively charged. The charges are unlike charged, then they are attracted to each other. Positively charged B in this surface and negatively charged B in this surface. And in the last, the distance between the spheres be increased. It is sphere A, it is sphere B. Then the positive charge on the sphere A be equally distribute on its surface, and the negative charge on the sphere B is equally distribute on its surface. There are, in this way, the sphere A and B becomes charged. It is the second method of charging of any body, which is by induction, and the last method is charging by conduction. It is a method of charging of a uncharged body by the other charged body. When a uncharged body is brought in contact with a charged body, then the charge is allowed to flow from the charged body into the uncharged body. Let a charged body is A and the uncharged body is B. when body B is bring about in the contact of body A by means of a wire or in direct contact, then body becomes charged. Body A, body B. Then charge is allowed to transfer from the body A into the body B, and body B is allowed to be charging. These are the methods of charging of any body. There are three methods of charging of any body. Number 1 by friction, number 2 by induction, and number 3 by conduction. Now we discuss on the conservation of charge. What is conservation of charge? The charge cannot create neither destroy. The charge neither destroy nor create. It is called conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. The electric charge. Electric charge. Neither create nor destroy. It is called conservation of charge. For example, when a glass rod is rubbed with ebonite, then some electrons are transferred from the glass rod into the ebonite, due to which glass rod becomes positively charged and the ebonite rod becomes negatively charged of the same magnitude. After the rubbing of the bodies, the total charge on the bodies be 0, and that before the charging is 0. Therefore, in this event, neither charge create nor destroy. Another example, we take a pair production. What is pair production? Pair production. When an energetic gamma photon is incident on a substance, then it is absorbed. It is absorbed by a nucleus of the substance and create one electron and one proton, one positron, gamma photon, electron, positron. Charge on gamma photon is 0 because charge on gamma photon is equal to 0 and charge on electron is equal to -1. Charge on positron is equal to +E. Net charge on the both is equal to -E plus E is equal to 0. In this way charge neither create nor destroy. It is the example of conservation of charge. And the last example is pair annihilation. Pair annihilation. What is pair annihilation? When an electron and a positron is bring extremely close to each other, then they disappear and two gamma photons are appear. Electron, positron, they are disappear when are brought in extremely contact and two gamma photons are produced. The net charge before the combination -E plus E is equal to 0 and the net charge after combination is equal to 0 because there is no charge on the gamma photons. In this way the charge neither create nor destroy. These are examples of conservation of charge. Today we have studied about the electrostatics. What is electrostatics? Electrostatics is that branch of physics in which we study stationary electric charges and electric field produced by electric charges and interaction between them. And we study about the electric charge. What is electric charge? Electric charge is that property of a matter which produce electric field and magnetic field and experiences them. And methods of charging of any body. अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स के बारे में अब मैं आपको इस पूरी जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया इसको हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ। इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक क्या होती है? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स भौतिक विज्ञान की वह शाखा है जिसमें हम स्थिर आवेश तथा स्थिर आवेशों द्वारा उत्पन्न वैद्युत क्षेत्रों एवं स्थिर आवेशों के बीच क्रिया का अध्ययन किया जाता है। इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज किसी पदार्थ का वह गुण है, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज किसी पदार्थ का वह गुण है जो वैद्युत तथा चुंबकीय क्षेत्र उत्पन्न करता है तथा उनका अनुभव करता है। व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक प्रकार की ऊर्जा है जिसके किसी वस्तु में होने से वह वस्तु दूसरी छोटी वस्तुओं को अपनी तरफ आकर्षित करती है। जैसे हम किसी कंघे को सूखे बालों से रगड़ते हैं तो कंघा छोटे छोटे तिनकों को तथा कागज़ के टुकड़ों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित कर लेता है। इसका कारण यह है रगड़ने से उसमें कंघा में विद्युत का गुण उत्पन्न हो जाता है। तो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज किसी पदार्थ का वह गुण है जो इलेक्ट्रिक तथा जो विद्युत तथा चुंबकीय क्षेत्र उत्पन्न करता है तथा उनका अनुभव करता है। अब किसी वस्तु को किस प्रकार से जो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज है उसकी एसआई यूनिट क्या है? उसकी एसआई यूनिट है कूलाम। उस एसआई यूनिट है कूलाम और उसकी सीजीएस में यूनिट क्या है? सीजीएस में उसकी यूनिट है स्टेट कूलाम। एक कूलाम में 3 × 10⁹ स्टेट कूलाम होते हैं। और इसकी एक और यूनिट है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक यूनिट। इसकी क्या है? इसकी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक यूनिट है एब कूलाम। एक कूलाम में 1/10 एब कूलाम होते हैं। इस प्रकार से हम कह सकते हैं कि 1 कूलाम इज इक्वल टू 3 × 10⁹ स्टेट कूलाम इज इक्वल टू 1/10 एब कूलाम। तो अब हम किसी बॉडी को चार्ज करने के मेथड देखेंगे कि किसी बॉडी को किस प्रकार से चार्ज यानी आवेशित किया जा सकता है, कितने प्रकार से चार्ज